Salim Hamdan spent 66 months at Guantanamo, convicted under the 2006 Military Commissions Act of providing material support for terrorism. In other words, of serving as Osama bin Laden's driver. But on Tuesday, a federal court of appeals in Washington overturned Hamdan's conviction. The reason? Twofold. One, Hamdan worked for bin Laden between 1996 and 2001. The law under which he was tried didn't exist until 2006. In the U.S., that's unconstitutional. Two, material support for terrorism did not exist as a specific crime under the U.S. law of war.
With respect to conduct occurring from 1996 to 2001, which is the relevant time frame for Mr. Hamdan's conduct, material support for terrorism was not, and indeed still is not, recognized by the international community as a war crime.
The ruling is the second legal victory for Hamdan, a Yemeni citizen who returned to his homeland in 2009, but continued the fight to clear his name. He was also the victor in Hamdan versus Rumsfeld, the case which declared unconstitutional the first military commission process established at Guantanamo after the September 11th attacks. So what does this ruling mean for the men currently at Guantanamo? Analysts say that the government has a better chance of winning and sustaining their convictions if it charges the detainees under laws that were in effect at the time they were captured. But they add, that's not likely.
During the current government, a new law was passed amending some of the procedures, but it's basically an effort to apply a different legal system, one with more lenient, more flexible rules, and fewer protections for defendants.
But as for Khalid Sheikh Mohammed and 4 other men accused of plotting the September 11th attacks, the Hamdan ruling likely won't help them. Analysts say that's because the men have been charged under existing law and in Mohammed's case have taken credit for their crimes. Rosiland, Al Jazeera.